Ever wondered how researchers get the results they do in experiments? Today, we're diving into two powerful research designs that shape how studies are conducted: the between subjects designs and the within subjects design. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of these methods and how they impact the conclusions researchers draw. Let's kick things off with the between subjects design. In this approach, each participant is assigned to just one condition of the experiment. That means if you're testing a new drug, for example, one group gets the drug while another group gets a placebo. It's like a separate mini experiment for each group. The great thing, you avoid what's called order effects, where previous experiences might influence someone's response. But here's the catch: you'll need more participants to make your results rock solid. Now let's talk about within subject designs. In this case, the same group of participants experience all conditions. So each participant could try both the drug and the placebo. This method is awesome because it reduces the number of people needed to get a good comparison, meaning you can gather more data with fewer participants. The downside, the order of conditions can affect results. If a participant experiences the drug before the placebo, it could impact their reaction to the placebo. So which should you use? Within subject designs can actually be more efficient because you're using the same participants across all conditions. Researchers often end up with better data, even though they're working with fewer people. It's a win-win in terms of efficiency. When deciding between a between subjects design and a within subjects design, consider your research goals, the type of variables you are studying, and the resources available. Use a between subjects design when you want to avoid order effects. If the sequence in which participants experience conditions might influence their responses, a between subjects design ensures each group experiences only one condition. You're testing conditions that can't be directly compared within the same individual. For example, you could test the effect of two completely different treatments, an example, two types of drugs, where one treatment could alter the participant's response to the other. You have access to a larger pool of participants, or when it's difficult to have participants go through multiple conditions. Use a within subjects design when you want to reduce the impact of individual differences because the same participants are all used for all conditions. This design helps control for variations between individuals. Examples are age, gender, baseline performance. That could affect results. You want to make your study more efficient by using fewer participants, especially in scenarios where you may have limited access to participants. You are testing conditions that are closely related and can be compared within the same individual, like the effect of different levels of the same treatment or interventions where order effects can be minimized. So whether you're designing your own study or just curious about how experiments work, understanding the difference between subjects and within subject designs can help you appreciate how researchers control for variables and get solid results. Next time you hear about a study, you'll have a better idea of how they gathered their data. Who knew research could be so interesting, right? If you're looking to get started, check out the resources below in the description box.